Today I'm going to show you how to install cloudHQ extensions on your employees' Chrome browsers as a Google Workspace superadmin. To begin setup, head to admin.google.com and in the left sidebar select Devices, Chrome, Apps and Extensions, Users and Browsers. Next, click on the plus icon in the lower right corner. Select the Chrome icon to add from the Chrome Web Store. Here you can search for the cloudHQ extension that you'd like to install for your workspace users. For this demonstration, I'll search for AutoBCC by cloudHQ and click it. Then I'll click Select. Under Installation Policy, choose Force Install plus Pin to Browser, and then click Save. Success! Your team will now see cloudHQ apps and extensions when using Chrome on managed PC or Mac computers. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.